I was going straight on a green light and somebody from the opposing lane came in and made a left turn. So I T-boned them. All my airbags went off. My hand was on the wheel, my left hand, and I think that's the reason why, between that and the impact and the airbag, I think that's the reason why my hand broke.
Alexis's story, not only was it a privilege to represent her, but when she came to me, she had a lot going on, mentally, physically, financially.
Fighting is everything to me. I've done martial arts since I was 6 years old. It's my life. It's a way of life for me. I feel empty or incomplete without doing martial arts. So the fact that I had such a detrimental injury where I almost couldn't go, there was a possibility I couldn't go back. I mean, I expressed those feelings to Shannon and how significant it is for me to really try to get back to doing what I love to do. Healing from the injury and mentally, physically, it means a lot that he was able to help me through the process of everything, because I would be nothing without martial arts. I would absolutely refer Shannon to a friend or anybody who needs a personal injury lawyer, because of how successful we were, how personal and genuine Shannon is, and how smooth and how communicative he is throughout the process of everything. I couldn't have asked for a better lawyer.